Hello and welcome to the greatest Tamil science channel. I'm your host Vishakha and we're speaking to Dr. C.K. Nandagopalan on the topic of diabetes. So we had a look at the causes, the symptoms and how we can prevent ourselves from diabetes. Now for those of us who are already diabetic, let's look at cures. Now there are cures in modern science. So if you could tell us both the control and the cure of diabetes in modern science. And
So, see, modern science is working hard to find the cause of the problem, but as today in the presence, they could not. Once the cause of any disease is found, cure is inevitable. If the cause is not known, how will you attack?
right.
So, in diabetes, they try to maintain your glucose levels in the blood. So, they have certain fixation of numbers. They want try to put that under the number.
Bring you under the numbers.
Yeah. So, they have 4 systems of medicine. And whatever that we eat will go to the stomach and go to the intestine. And then through the portal vein has to come to the liver and then get scanned and go out. This is how the system works. So, the first set of medicine, they choke the liver. They try to slow down the release of the glucose from the liver.
From the liver.
For that, they choke the entire liver. This is 1. 2. They have medicines, this separate set of medicines, try to increase the beta cells of the pancreas to produce more insulin. Third, there are a set of medicines which they will try to reduce the production of glucagon from the alpha cells of the pancreas. Because when you don't eat a longer period of time, when you are sleeping and all that, the glycogen stored in the body. You know what is glycogen?
Yeah.
It's stored in the body.
Gets
The glucagon comes and release them, break them into single monomers, put them in the blood to maintain your sugar level.
Correct.
That they try to control it. The third set of medicine. Fourth set of medicine, they, which goes and make the intestines absorb glucose slowly. All 4 has its own impacts. We are not going to talk about it.
Right.
If these 4 doesn't work, what do I do? I go for insulin.
Injected, right?
Yeah. If insulin also doesn't work, what do I do?
Dialysis.
I have lost. I have no answer. In the sense, the science has no
Science
answer.
has no answer.
No answer. By the time these people exhaust all the system of, see, any medicine what you give to the body, they get memorize it very fast and you get addicted to it.
Right.
This is 1. Or any medicine you bring in through the synthetic methodology and introduce you into the system, and once it gets memorized, it works for a period of time. After that, body doesn't care. So your medicines don't work. So we shift you to a different chemical combination. Then different chemical combination. That's what happens in hypertension also.
Right.
And none of it works, then we put you on insulin. And the insulin also doesn't work, then we are clueless. We have no tools anymore to, facilitate reduce the sugar level in the blood. So all these systems are, playing havoc. The side effects of these medicines are very huge. When you are going to have any medicine over a longer period of time, say for example today hypertension, diabetes and all that comes under the maintenance of disease, in the sense that you have to take medicine throughout your life. Once you start taking some different format of medicines for a particular problem over a span of 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, it has its own take a huge toll.
It's true.
We can't do anything. There is no cure there. We try to make sure that you live a healthy life by administering these medicines, which has its own limitations, but then sometime most of the time, rather, in most of the cases, it's all over. It's a very, very sad phenomenon going on at the moment,
Right.
which we can't help it. Thank you.